Hello, everyone, and welcome to phonetics class. Today, we're going to be discussing phonetics of vowel sounds. In phonetics, vowel sounds are speech sounds produced without any significant blockage of hair in the mouth or throat while pronouncing. Types of vowel sounds in English, we have 20 vowel sounds in total. And out of these 20 vowel sounds, 12 are monotones. That is single vowel sounds. They are also called per vowel sounds. And the remaining 8 are diphthongs. That is double vowel sounds. And we also call them glide vowel sounds. Now, let's move on to the 12 monotongues we have. Monotongues are single per vowel sounds. When pronouncing, the tongue and the mouth position remain steady. So let's take, and these monotongues are divided into two. We have the short vowels, which are 7 in number, and 5 long vowel sounds. Now let's start with the monotongues. So the monotongues will start with E as in sit. Eat. That's eat. Kick. And so on. Then we have as in pen. Many. Set. Leg. And so on. Then as in cat, rat, ram, and so on. Then as in cap, blood, sam, sun, flood, and so on. Then we have o as in hot, caught, cord, and so on. Then we have u as in put, good, book, push it, pull it. Then we have sure sound, about, allowed, thorough, clean it thoroughly. Then, are you surprised? Are you surprised? Also, teacher, and so on. Now, the remaining 5 are long vowel sound. We can identify these as long vowel sound because there's this sign at the back. A semicolon sign is at the back of each of them. This makes them different from the normal short vowel sounds. So E, and that is, example is see, beat, keep, key, read, feel, seed, bead, and so on. Then as in car, my father, I ask you, my heart. Also we have or as in law, talk, short, door, raw. Then we have oo, short vowel, oo as in food, blue, suit, shoe. Also, long vowel, as in pairs, bird, land, church, pet, nest, and so on. So the diphthongs I said, they are 8 in number. These are gliding vowels. The mouth position changes during pronunciation. So the mouth moves from the first sound to the second sound. So, example, the first one is A as in day, rain, name, cage. Then I as in mine, light, dice, shine. And also we have I, I as in boy, coin, join, coil, soil, boil, and so on. Then we have ow as in say it now. My house, stop shouting, foul, and so on. Then we have ear, ear, ear as in here, stay here. I have an idea. Also, fear, very fearful. Then we have ua, ua, as in tour. We are touring around the city. Then we have sure. Are you sure of what you're saying? Then I need a sachet of pure water. So, wow, it's been so exciting. Let's just wrap up what we'll be saying since morning. So we said we have 20 vowel sounds in English language, and out of these 20 vowels, 12 are monophthongs and 8 are diphthongs. And we said monophthongs are pure vowel sounds, and we said they are also divided into two, which are short vowel sounds and long vowel sounds. We said the short vowel sounds are 7 in number, while the long vowel sounds are just 5 in number. So and we also discussed the remaining 8, which are diphthongs. We talked about them and give examples. So kids, I would love you go back home and pronounce each of these sounds one after the other as many times as possible. And I would love you give me 3 more examples on each of the sounds we treated today, apart from the ones I gave in class, please. So produce the sounds and write 3 examples each. Wow, what an amazing class. We are going to be calling it a day here, and by the grace of God, we'll be meeting and be discussing further on each of those sounds. All right, it's been a wonderful day, and thank you for your audience.